Hey gang, this is Randy with Randog 1951. Yeah, it's another nice cold day here in the panhandle of Idaho. I'm out in my garage. Let's see if this puppy's, yeah, it's still working. Okay, here's a quick update. I'm going to turn you around slowly. This camera doesn't have a feature where I can stop and restart without losing the first video. Okay, so that stove was left behind by the contractor that remodeled the house that I eventually bought. It had become so hot that this diamond metal, about 3/16 thick, has warped, and it got so hot where those two pieces were welded together, they came apart. They pulled apart. So I re-welded them, put them back together. I searched the YouTube on rocket stoves, and I've decided on trying this. I picked up for free this 55-gallon drum. I drilled a hole in the bottom of it so it'll sit right on top of this puppy. I welded this piece of 11 gauge metal on here. And now I'm about to weld this piece of 11 gauge metal onto the front. The drum only went out about, I don't know, a half inch or so. But I thought, well, what the heck? I will probably buy and install some of that fiberglass stove rope. And I won't need this, but I got to thinking about it. This will get hot. I can make some hot chocolate, put them up. And I'm going to weld this on now. And it may or may not prevent smoke from coming out from underneath there, but what the heck. Like I say, I'm going to heat some coffee or whatever with that panel. And I'm getting ready to do that now. And I'm getting close. I'm getting real close. I have to practice. Hang on. Like this. I have to practice my TIG welding. I only did it for a couple hours when I was in school. I was building a log splitter. That took all of my time on the last class I took. So I got two choices here. First one will be mainly the free choice. And I picked up all of those. You see that? All of this car stuff, Mopar. And I'm going to use this rather than spending $55 or $60 for something like this that runs through the wall, or I could run it, they run up straight through the roof. I'm going to use this as an insulator and either use this pipe, or if I can't get it together and remember how to TIG, I'm just going to use the 6-inch pipe I bought from Home Depot and run it out and run the 6-inch. I'll cut both ends off, run the 6-inch pipe through the middle of it, and that'll be my insulator. I'll put some rock wool up along the wall, maybe some concrete board, and take care of any possibility of the wall getting too hot. So anyway, that's an update. And whoever built this thing built it like a tank. So that's my update for today. And I've got my winter look going. I might keep it. But thanks for checking in. One of these, and please, 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 subscribe. Subscribe, tell a friend, subscribe. You don't ever have to watch again, just subscribe. I've been doing this since 2014, and I made a whopping 25 cents. I was never paid, but I don't know how that worked. But I can say that I've made money from YouTube. So there you go, guys. Take care. Stay safe. Catch you next time.